Hello guys, welcome to my channel NEZ1. So I know most of you know about this particular airdrop known as the CAMEL airdrop. So this particular airdrop is under the Telegram ecosystem. So as you can see that they are on their TG day. So this is the amount which I was given, about 13,500 CAMEL tokens, and the 13,500 CAMEL token is worth about $95. As you can see on the screen, it's worth about this amount, and you can see the price for each one CAMEL is about $0.007. So I know most of you will be asking that, should I pay the ton for the claiming? So I would say that you should go ahead and do your own research before you can go ahead and deposit any ton to any airdrop. So I'm not a financial advisor. So as you can see that they say that there will be the listing for this particular airdrop will be on the 19th of March, as you can see. So you can see the exchanges which is backing them up. You can see that Biconomy exchange is backing them up. MEXC also is backing them up. Withdrawal is also backing them up, and st.com is also backing them up. So these particular 5 exchanges are backing them up. So I can't tell whether are they going to be listing on these exchanges on the 19th of March. So as you can see, they say that the listing for this particular airdrop will be on the 19th of March. So before you can do where to go ahead and claim your airdrop, so I would advise you to go ahead and do some research first. And the claiming fee for this particular airdrop is about either 0.2 ton or 0.6 ton. So that is the claiming fee. But you can do it to do yours depending on your choice. You can see that I have about $95 worth of this CAMEL token. So you can see where they say that the listing will be on the 19th March. So you can do where to do your research before you go ahead and pay any fee to this particular airdrop. And this particular airdrop, I think it has been existent for about close to a year now. I think it's about close to a year now, and not everybody are farming this particular token. So you can do it to check yours. So you can see this is my balance I have. And again, there's another airdrop which I'm also farming right now, which is known as the Withdrawal airdrop. So the link to that particular airdrop will be in the description of my video. So that one does not require you to pay anything like tons. So I'll be dropping the link to that particular airdrop in the description of my video. This is the airdrop which I'm talking about. You can see that this is my balance, and this balance showing on your screen, I made it for free. And also the withdrawal time will be on the 17th of March. You can see 2 days from now. So the withdrawal time will be on the 17th of March. So I'll be dropping the link to this particular airdrop in the description of my video. And also, if you have not watched the video about this particular airdrop, I'll be posting it on my description of my video also. So do where to go ahead and watch the video to know how to get started with this particular airdrop. So now we have come to the end of this video. So if you find this video helpful, so all I need from you guys is to go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel NEZ1, and also peace out.